Very good. So tell me now, what is going to come? Which festival is going to come now? Rakhi festival. Yes. Rakhi festival is known as Raksha Bandhan. Do you know, children, what is the meaning of Raksha Bandhan? Raksha means protection and Bandhan means binding. The Rakhi festival is the bond between brother and sister. So, we can't go out now to buy Rakhi for brother. So, today we are going to make a Rakhi. Yes, let's start.
See, children, what I am having on my table? Yes, beautiful Rakhi. It is so big, na? Yeah? Now we are going to make small Rakhi to tie on our brother's wrist. Let's start.
See, children, I am going to make Rakhi. I am having some beads, tape, glue, scissor and foam sheet, rounder, and you can use friendship belt. So now I am going to cut this friendship belt. Children, while cutting, take your mama help, okay? Now I am going to make a circle on this foam sheet. I made 2 circles. If you are not having rounder, you can also use cup. Okay, children? Now I am going to cut this. Making Rakhi for brother is so much fun, na? If you are not having foam sheet, you can also use paper. Or take some beads. Whatever you are having at home. Okay, children? See, I cut 2 foam sheet. Now I am going to stick this yellow one on top. Now I am going to stick this friendship belt. I am going to stick with cello tape. Now I am using some colorful beads. Apply a glue. Now I am going to place this pink flower. See? I stick this pink flower in the middle.
time we are going to make Rakhi at home. See children, my beautiful Rakhi is ready. See kids, my beautiful Rakhi is ready.
Now you also have to make Rakhi with your own idea. Please make Rakhi and send me photos and videos. Okay, bye.
Shanti Juniors.